This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Your Zong SIM is active, your plan supports voice over LTE, and you're in 4G coverage. Once done, make sure your phone's OS and carrier settings are updated so VO LTE profiles install. Next, open mobile network settings and set preferred network to 4G or LTE. This forces the radio to register on compatible bands. Finally, ensure mobile data is on and restart the device so the network reads the new profile and prepares VO LTE. You now enable VO LTE in the phone. Go to Settings, then Connections or Network and select SIM and Mobile Networks for the Zong SIM. Once there, toggle VO LTE, labeled VO LTE or Enhanced 4G LTE calling. This permits simultaneous voice and LTE data. If you don't see the option, check for carrier update or manually configure Zong APN settings. Installing a carrier profile often adds the toggle. After switching it on, restart and wait a minute for the network to provision voice over LTE services. You finish by verifying. Place a test call and watch for a VO LTE or HD call icon that confirms registration. If the icon doesn't appear, toggle airplane mode, restart, or reinsert the SIM to force re-registration. Make sure data remains on during the call. VO LTE requires active LTE data on the Zong SIM. If issues persist beyond a few hours, contact Zong support for provisioning. Ask them to check your IMS registration and carrier profile so VO LTE activation completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.